Practical elegance, this home is both stunning and livable, a sophisticated balance of high-end aesthetics with functional, everyday use. Tailored for the luxury-seeking homeowner who prioritizes warmth and comfort. Enjoy a curated open floor plan featuring tin ceilings, abundant natural light and a seamless flow designed for family living. The Gourmet Kitchen is a culinary retreat with quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, upgraded gas stove, wine cabinet, spacious cafe eating area and an expansive island which serves as the heart of home entertaining. Triple sliding doors in the family room bring indoor comfort and outdoor living together. Features include a home management center, hurricane protection, Paver Driveway, oversized garage west/bump out, huge laundry room west/workspace and storage, premium corner lot and more. Relax in the extended, screened-in patio and let the kids and pets romp in the fully fenced-in yard. HOA-managed landscaping allows for easy, low-maintenance living.